You know, when you're doing interior painting, painting things in the right order can save you time and give you more professional results. For example, you want to paint the edges of the wall before you paint the wall itself. Now up here, where the wall meets the ceiling, this is a great tool to use. It's a painting pad with some guide wheels right here that'll roll along the ceiling. Very simple to use. Just place it on the wall and pull it along. Next, paint your woodwork, like your baseboards and your trim. That's right, paint this before you paint the wall. And you don't have to worry if you get some of this trim paint on the wall itself. Now, paint rollers throw off tiny specks of paint when you use them. So we'll want to protect this newly painted baseboard down here before we start rolling. We can do that with some painter's tape or masking tape. The idea is just to put the tape on the very top of the baseboard like this so that it acts as sort of a shield. That way the paint specks will fall on the tape and not on the baseboard. Now once the trim paint is dried, we'll cut the wall color in to meet it, again using the paint pad with these guide wheels. There's no faster way to paint those inside corners than with this corner painting pad. Finally, roll out the walls. The results will be neat, clean, and look like they were done by an expert, which of course they were.